Hello, this is a question one program, and the file name is smaller factor .java. In this program, we need to sort the smallest factor in the decreasing order. First of all, we need the user to input a positive integer, and then we save the integer to the variable, and the name is the num. And then we use the for loop plus while loop to do the factoring. In the for loop, the variable of kind will use to divide by user input number. Then the for loop will run until user input number smaller than the kind. For the while loop, it is for the calculation and save the factor to the array. In the while loop, it will be continue one based on the remainder is equal to 0 until the remainder is not equal to 0. It is a little bit tricky in the for loop for the kind is equal to 2 instead of the 1, because 1 divide any number, the remainder is equal to 0. So that's why for the while loop is not possible to do that. So that's why we start the kind number to 2. And after finish the for loop and while loop for factoring, the program need to be adjust the length of array. It is because I originally set the length of the array is 20. I know that it is too many. Seeing I do not want to display all of the array column without data, so I write the code to adjust the original length of the array to correct length of the array after factoring. So I put the original array to temporary array. That means I copy the original array to temporary array, and we set the new length to the temporary array based on the inside of the loop, inside of while loop of the array length, because that is a final and correct length of the array. I use the for loop to restore the factoring number from original array to temporary array. After finish the for loop for restoring factor number to temporary array, we put back all restoring factor number to original array. You could see that. So the length of the original array is not a 20 as initial setting. It is a new length of the array based on the number of factoring number. Then we do the sorting factor number from original array. We use the for loop and if statement for this sorting processing. Then display the number based on the decreasing order. So let's run the program and see some example. First of all, we need to enter the positive number. We enter the 120, and you could see that the factor number will be 5B222. It is the factor. It is a decreasing order according to decreasing order. And then we run the program again and enter the factoring to 3,500, and you could see that the factoring number is 755,522. So we run program again, and then we enter the number to 60. And you could see that the number is 5322. Okay, that's it for the number 1.